Some news coming in. What we're hearing at this point of time, and there is sources are telling us, is that the investigation report up till now will be sent to the DG of the NCB, Rakesh Asthana, in the next 3 days. So the NCB is moving at a breakneck speed. The NCB Mumbai Zonal Unit is expected to submit its separate reports with teams of the Delhi SIT, and they will also submit their reports. So another update coming in, it's 5:12, and there's another update coming in as far as the investigation into the drug cartel is concerned. The investigation that till now, which also includes questioning of A-listers in Bollywood, the likes of Deepika Padukone, who currently is in a state of complete panic, consulting a battery of lawyers. Her husband, an actor, Ranveer Singh, we believe, has dialed some lawyers, and Deepika is in a state of panic because she knows she could face a second round of drilling. Is it all boiling down to the talent management agency Quon? Because those are the kind of chats that she was confronted with. Number two, this investigation report will be submitted to the DG of the NCB, Rakesh Asthana, in the next 3 days. The NCB Mumbai Zonal Unit will submit its separate reports, while the teams of Delhi SIT will submit their reports. So fast-paced developments there. And like Piyush has been telling us, on one hand, Shikha has been reporting from outside Deepika Padukone's residence, telling us that yes, there is some movement when it comes to Deepika Padukone's legal strategy. There's brainstorming that's underway. Calls are being made. Back-to-back calls are being made at this point of time. Many lawyers are being consulted, top lawyers in the country. Her team, we believe, has 12 lawyers, and she consulted at least 12 lawyers, we believe, before even speaking to the NCB. Questions and her answers were very, very tutored, monosyllables, yes or no kind answers, which the NCB believes is not satisfactory and could call her back again. Now there are calls being made to the lawyers. There is some movement that we're seeing at the NCB as well, with Shraddha Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan's questioning. Piyush, also take us through what Sara Ali Khan has told investigators. What are you picking up from your sources?
Well, Chaknika, what we are learning is that Shraddha Kapoor has accepted the WhatsApp chat source, has retrieved, she has accepted that yes, she was the part of that particular chat, and this somewhere indicates that that a big nexus in Bollywood is all set to be unearthed. But what is more important is to mention that Shraddha Kapoor at one side has accepted that yes, she was part of that WhatsApp chat which has been retrieved by the agencies, but on the other side she is saying that she did not consume that, she did not consume that, and she had ordered CBD oil. We know that CBD oil is banned in the country. The question here is that for whom she ordered, and who was the one who was consuming drugs. There are some certain important questions, tough questions, which Shraddha Kapoor needs to answer. Let me once again try to show you the visuals of this very premises where this investigation is right now underway. This interrogation is going on. You can see on the third floor of this building, Shraddha Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan, top actresses of Bollywood. They are present. They are being grilled by NCB officials there. You can see that the vehicle of KPS Malhotra is also parked on your television screens. Anup can once again try to show you the visuals of this very place. KPS Malhotra's car is parked here, and also top officials of NCB are there. Moreover, we know that how KPS Malhotra is one of the officers of NCB who was part of the SIT team which probed Deepika Padukone. After this, Deepika Padukone, after reaching her residence, she is now in panic. She is now in consult.
Yes, Piyush, to break down those details, we also have Shikha joining us from outside Deepika Padukone's residence, and she's actually telling us about the legal strategy. Why is there this sense of panic, Shikha? Why were the answers in monosyllables? Why didn't Deepika Padukone in fact go on and detail what were those chats about? What did she mean when she asked her manager from Quon, Karishma Prakash, you have mal? What did she mean when she said not weed but hash? What were those conversations about? What was the drug chat about? What was those groups about? Why didn't she go on to explain those questions in detail? Because this is the kind of digital evidence that the NCB put before her.
बिल्कुल सगरिका, जैसे हम देख रहे थे कि वो जो चार्ट थी वो हमने अपने दर्शकों को दिखाई थी कि उसमें क्या था, क्योंकि उसमें करिश्मा और दीपिका की चैट थी जिसमें दीपिका कह रही थी क्या माल है, माल की बात वो कर रही थी। लेकिन जब यहाँ एनसीबी ने उनसे पूछा तो वो कह रही थी कि माल वो नहीं होता है, माल सिंपल स्मोक होता है, यानी कि सिगरेट को हम कहते हैं। यहाँ पर उनसे पूछा हैश क्या होता है, हैश का जिक्र भी उन्होंने कहा था कि हैश है, वीड नहीं चाहिए, ये भी बोला था उन्होंने। तो जब एनसीबी ने उस चैट के बारे में, उस पर्टिकुलर लाइन के बारे में पूछा तो यहाँ पर ये कहा गया कि उसको भी हम हैश को सिगरेट की तरह यूज करते हैं, यानी कि देखिए किस तरीके से यहाँ पर टालमटोल और यहाँ पर डाइवर्ट करती हुई नजर आई दीपिका पादुकोण, क्योंकि जब करिश्मा प्रकाश और उनकी चैट को दीपिका पादुकोण को दिखाया तो ये बोल रही थी लेकिन वो तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एविडेंस है, उसको डिलीट नहीं किया जा सकता। एनसीबी इसीलिए इसी स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ सागरिका आई है कि पहले इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एविडेंस जो है उनको तैयार किया है एनसीबी ने, उसके बाद पूछताछ के लिए दीपिका पादुकोण को बुलाया है। पहले उन्होंने पेडलर से पूछताछ की, पेडलर से मैनेजर्स के नाम निकाले, मैनेजर से बॉलीवुड के ए लिस्टर्स के नाम निकाले हैं।
And Shikha, very interesting to note here that in the next 3 days, if a report is going to be sent to the DG of the NCB, Rakesh Asthana, that means the NCB possibly has something very big in its possession. And if it is in a state, or if it is in the stage of submitting a report, both by the Delhi SIT and the Mumbai Zonal Unit, then are we actually looking at some very concrete action that's going to take place next week? I'm going to go across to Piyush as he tracks all the live action outside the NCB office. You saw KPS Malhotra a short while back, right after questioning Deepika Padukone, enter the NCB office. Questioning of Shraddha Kapoor is underway. Questioning of Sara Ali Khan is underway. Sources are also telling us that there is a sense of blame game that is currently on during the interrogation procedure. What more do we know, Piyush?
Well, Zagrika, we are learning from our sources that like Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor is also saying that it was Sushant Singh Rajput who used to consume drugs. We have seen the similar statements, the similar voice being echoed by Sara Ali Khan, and now Shraddha Kapoor is also saying the same thing on the third floor. Like we are continuously showing you the pictures of this building on the third floor. The investigation, the interrogation is going on. KPS Malhotra, who is back here at the NCB office for the third time, he is part of this investigation which is being carried out by NCB officials. On the other side, like Deepika has already, is already in touch with her lawyers. She's saying that she's now in panic mode after the kind of investigation which NCB is now doing. Let me try to continue to show you the visuals of this very place where the investigation going on. KPS Malhotra continues to be here. He, along with the other top officials of NCB, they are still here, and the interrogation is going on, and the NCB officials continue to be here. But what we are learning is that Shraddha Kapoor has accepted the kind of WhatsApp chats which have been retrieved, but she is saying that she did not consume drugs. On the other side, Sara Ali Khan has said that it was Sushant Singh Rajput who used to consume drugs. And remember that similar theory was pushed by Riya Chakraborty, that it was Sushant Singh Rajput who used to consume drugs. And now NCB is doing its investigation. We'll have to wait and watch how the investigation proceeds. But the latest which we are picking is that at once that Shraddha and Sara are being grilled, on the other side, Deepika Padukone is now in panic. She is now consulting with her legal team. Sagrika.
All right, so a report is expected to be submitted. That's what we are hearing in the next 3 days. So this also is sending out a very significant message that if over the next 3 days, the Mumbai unit of the NCB and the Delhi SIT team are supposed to be sending their reports to the DG of the NCB, does it mean that they have something very conclusive in their possession? Does it mean that they have hard evidence against the Bollywood drug cartel and the fact that A-listers from Bollywood have been questioned? One person, a producer, an executive producer today, his name is Kshitij Ravi Prasad. He was arrested after 12 hours of marathon interrogation. He was named by actor Rakul Preet yesterday. There is evidence of how he procured drugs and also played a role in allegedly giving those drugs to some actors, some top celebrities in the film industry. Will Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor's interrogation also lead to more stars being called in? The case is only getting bigger.